is you gotta start immersing yourself in music that is based in a tradition that's more polyrhythmic. Hey guys, Kyle here for another edition of Woodshed Wednesday. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are wrapping up our series on polyrhythms, just briefly talking about a couple places you can look for more information if you want to dive deeper into this subject. The first place I check out is look into the percussionist Wolfram Winkel. He's kind of this polyrhythm guru based out of Germany. There's a lot of great resources on his website and YouTube page. There's a great video of him playing with Steve Reich, one of his pieces. So check that out. There's a lot of cool stuff there. Second place that's really helpful is you gotta start immersing yourself in music that is based in a tradition that's more polyrhythmic. So a great place to look for that type of music is check out the record label Analog Africa. This is one of their records. I love this record. It's African Scream Contest. It's a compilation of artists from the 60s and 70s in West Africa that played dance music that was this fusion of American funk and traditional African rhythms. Really great record. They have a lot of cool stuff like this from all around the world. And yeah, so just start to listen to stuff and see what you can come up with. So I'll see you guys next week. We'll start something new.